Hello everybody, just going through the quick touch base for what we're doing this week. So this week we're switching over to job safety. We're kind of done with child labor laws, that type of stuff, and we're moving into job safety. So first thing that we got to talk about this week is pay stubs and driver's license. Make sure, again, driver's license, pay stub, or insurance card, driver's license are there, and your pay stubs are staying current. You have to keep those current. At any time we go through those and grade them, if they're not current, they come in as missing. That missing assignment really tanks your grade, and we don't want that. So make sure you're staying current with your pay stubs and driver's license. Take a moment here to upload your most recent pay stub. Then we're going to go in the October 19th through 23rd week folder. So we're watching this right here. Starting out, we're going to do the job safety pretest. The pretest looks like this. Going to be some questions there. It's fine. Again, this is an ungraded assignment. No worries if you do poorly on it. It's just what the test is going to look like. So know what you're trying to grab out of the content. Again, pretests are really good previews for you, so you kind of really know what to study. It's not a bad idea to take notes on those pretests. When you're done with that pretest, you're going to be able to go into the job safety physical hazards. That's what this week is all about. It's doing the physical hazards. Goal, you're going to understand OSHA and the importance of protecting yourself from physical hazards at work. You're going to watch the physical hazard presentation. You're going to complete the notes assignment. You should print the notes assignment out. I'll bring the notes assignment up. So it looks like this. You are going to fill out this side of your notes assignment. Put your name up at the top here. Fill out the questions as you're going through the video. We've had to go to this notes type assignment because we had people that didn't take the videos previously as seriously and make sure to get their questions answered and make sure to do well on the test. So we got the notes assignment. You're going to upload your completed notes assignment with your name. So you're going to go here, you're going to go File, Download as a PDF, and upload that notes assignment to this assignment here. Once you're completed with that, there is a teen workers video that we're going to do. It's reflecting on the importance of protecting yourself from physical hazards at work. Teen worker video. If you're a Course 1 student, which is this is the first time you've taken seminar class and you're in your course, you're going to do this piece. If you're a Course 2 student, you're going to do this chunk. So that means this is the second time through it. If you're Course 3 or 4, you're going to do this answer. You're going to make a discussion post here. Looking at the criteria, again, 10, 8, 6, 4. Basically, more than 4 sentences, you're going to get a 10. 2 to 3 sentences, we need some more information. 1 sentence, you're going to get a 6, so that's not a passing grade anymore. Not even a complete sentence, you're going to get a 4. So make sure you're putting your effort in and making these discussion posts look really nice. You want to be professional with it. Once you're done with that, if you already have an internship, you are completed for the week. If you have a job, you're completed for the week. If you don't have a job, you're going to go into the resume or Indeed resume assignment. Indeed is a job search website where you can post your resume for free. So you're going to create an Indeed account. You're going to go to your profile here, and you're going to create a resume on that website. You're going to use that website to create your resume. Use your standard resume that we created and just transfer the information over onto this resume. And then you're going to post a screenshot of your profile with your resume completed. So here is an example of mine, what that screenshot will look like. All right, have a great week. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, send us an email, come to one of the Google Meet sessions. Have a great week.